Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm the watch is actually activation locked before doing anything else. Turn it on, look for the activation lock prompt, and note the serial or IMEI. If you bought it used, contact the seller immediately and request they sign into iCloud. COM to remove the device. This is the cleanest path. Make sure you gather proof of purchase now. Apple will require documentation to help. Once done, you'll be ready for the next official steps. Next, pursue Apple's authorized removal process because you can't legally bypass activation lock yourself. Ask the seller to remove the watch via iCloud's Find My feature. This takes minutes. If the seller is unavailable, compile clear proof, original receipt showing serial, photos, and your ID, and then contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. Explain the situation. Support will verify documents and may remove the lock. Make sure to keep communication. Finally, complete the transfer through Apple's channels so the watch is legally and fully usable. If Apple removes the lock, unpair any existing connections and then pair the watch to your iPhone. Follow on-screen setup and restore from backup if available. If Apple cannot help immediately, get a case number and clear guidance. This protects you and documents the attempt. If something goes wrong, return to Apple with the case reference and original documents for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.